In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Fmodex.dll missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. The first thing that we need to do is to know the system type of our Windows. So go to the Windows search bar and type system info. Click on it under the best match. Take note of your system type and then simply open a browser and search for Visual C++ redistributable and hit enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and click the download link corresponding to your system type. Click on the folder icon and then double click. Check this box. I agree to the license terms and conditions and click on install. So simply install the Visual C++ on your Windows 11. Next method is you have to also update your Windows. Click on the start button and go to settings. From the list of options on the left pane, click on Windows Update and simply click the button right here to check for updates, download and install the latest updates on your Windows 11. Next method, go to the Windows search bar, type CMD, click Run as Administrator option, and type SFC space / scan now. SFC space / scan now and hit enter. The system scan will begin, so simply wait for the process to be 100% completed. And once this is 100% completed, type exit in the command prompt window. And that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.